Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to deposit money on Pocket option using Cash App. First, open Cash App on your phone, make sure it's updated or installed. Once opened, go to the banking section at the bottom left and tap on Bitcoin. Ensure you have Bitcoin available in your account. Next, on your laptop, search for Pocket option on Google and go to the official website. After logging in, click Deposit at the top of the page. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar. Select Bitcoin as your payment method. Enter the amount you want to transfer from Cash App to Pocket option, for example, $5. Then click Continue. You will see a Bitcoin address and a QR code. The QR code is what you'll use for the transfer. Now, go back to your Cash App on your phone, tap the share icon. Select Send Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to send. Tap the grid icon at the top left to scan the QR code from Pocket option. Choose your deposit speed, priority F deposits in about 10 minutes, rush deposits in about 2 hours. Select priority and click Next. Finally, check your history on Pocket option. Your deposit will initially show as pending. Within 10 minutes to 2 hours, the status will update and your funds will be successfully deposited, ready for trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.